everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to do some nice yam balls, guys, also known as yam croquettes. Yeah, I'm going to use yellow yam. You can use any yam you have available. Now stick around, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this video. And a quick reminder, when you're peeling yam, don't let the skin or the little slimy part touch your hand because it will itch. And we have water here just to not let the yam oxidize on us. It don't matter how the yam cut, because guess what? We are going to crush it, right? Alright, so we want to add them to the pot to cook until tender. Don't worry about how yellow those look. I took too long to put them in the pot, right? But no worries, because we're going to crush them, so no matter. So we want to put these until tender. What I did as well was to put some salt in the pot. And these yam balls are an excellent appetizer. What I'm going to add in it too is some onions, finely chopped. And the onions are optional too. So if you don't feel like using onion and you want to use the onion powder, garlic powder, you can use it, alright? And to give it a little kick, we're going to use Scotch bonnet pepper. We're only going to use the skin. Alright, so let's take a look at the yam now. We want to make sure when you stick into the yam, the fork go right through the yam. That's how we have it tender enough. You can see? Very nice. So we cook thoroughly, right? So right now we're going to remove it from the water and let it cool all the way, completely next to cold, before we crush it. To mash our yam, we're going to go in with a tablespoon of butter. Also adding our pepper and onion. And some milk, soy milk I'm using. You can use almond milk, coconut milk. What you have available, use it. And I prefer to mash my yam almost cold, because if I mash it too warm or hot, when I fry it, it's gonna be too mushy. So I prefer to do it this way. Going in with a little salt, because the salt I added to the pot wasn't enough. And also the remaining onions. And to do the balls, you just bring up enough and roll it together. And if you don't want to roll them in the ball, you can always roll them in the nugget shape. For the yam balls, we want to dip them in milk, flour, breadcrumb. Let me show you again. You go in the milk, flour, and breadcrumb. I like to do all of them before I actually start frying. Going in with our balls. And we don't want to overcrowd the pot. If you want to add more oil and just fry everything deep in the oil, that's fine. But guys, we don't have enough oil to do that. And you can turn them when they're golden brown. Nice and crispy on the outside. Add in our second set. And you want to drain these on paper towel, okay? Here you have it, guys, our nice yam balls. Also can be served as an appetizer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.